John, what's in the bag?
The rocks and the babies in my bag.
What babies? Show me your babies. What? What?
Get out!
That's a lot of babies, John. What in the world? What's that?
That's a mask.
Let me see it. Put it on. What are you?
Batman.
Batman?
Yeah.
So you're Batman. I always wondered. What else do you have?
I got my mask and my babies.
Your what?
My mask and my babies in my bag.
Your mask and your babies in your bag. What's a baby? Show me your baby. What's that one?
This one Bill. And this one and my puppy. And this one Bill.
A bear and a puppy and a bear.
And this one my mom.
I know. Well, what are you going to do with all that stuff?
I have to play with those without camping.
You're going to play with them at camping?
Yeah.
Okay, is that your bag?
Yeah.
What kind of bag is that?
It's just a bag.
Oh, okay. All right, John. I guess we'll tape you later. Because you're so cute. Bye.
Bye.